How are you all? I am fine. Can you just tell me what did we learn in last class? Use of the word about to. We got to learn about the use of the word about to, right? About to. And in today's class, in this class, we are going to learn about the phrase turn out to be. Turn out to be. This is the phrase, and the Hindi meaning of this phrase is like तुम ऐसे निकले, तुम तो बड़े ऐसे निकले, तुम तो बड़े वैसे निकले. Here I am going to write the Hindi meaning. Earth. That is the Hindi meaning. बड़े dot dash निकले. So that is the Hindi meaning, right? That is the Hindi meaning. And what is the name of the phrase? Turned out to be. So here I am going to write the formula of this phrase. Sutra. Subject. Subject can be is he, she, it, you, we, they, or any name, plus turned out to be, plus what will be? So plus any object we can write. So that is the formula of the phrase turned out to be. Can you just read out the formula of the phrase turned out to be? Subject plus turned out to be plus so plus object. That is the formula. And here I am going to write the examples. Now we will know the uses of this word turn out to be. Here I am writing. You turned out to be so clever. So here I have given you an example using the word turn out to be. तुम तो बड़े चालाक निकले. तुम तो बड़े चालाक निकले. And here the translation of this sentence is you turn out to be so clever. You turn out to be so clever. Here I am going to write another example. तुम तो बड़े तेज निकले. Ira, will you tell me? Translate.
You turned out to be so intelligent.
You turned out to be so intelligent. Sit down. Very good. You turned out to be so intelligent. That is the Hindi translation of this sentence. And here I am going to write the third one. तुम तो बड़े मूर्ख निकले. Boys, will any of you will translate this sentence? You turned out to be so foolish, right? Foolish. We can use another word like stupid, foolish, stupid. So here we can translate you turned out to be so foolish, foolish, so foolish. Or you can write down here stupid as well. तुम तो बड़े मूर्ख निकले, गधे निकले. You turn out to be so foolish or so stupid. Now here I am going to ask you one by one the examples, translation of using this word, right? मैं बोलूँगा तुम तो बड़े बहादुर निकले. Will you translate, any of you?
You turned out to be so brave.
You turn out to be so brave. Very good. Will you clap for him? Sit down. Now you. तुम तो बड़ी ताकतवर निकली.
You turned out to be so strong.
So strong. Very good. Will you clap for him? You turn out to be so strong. Or also you can say you turned out to be so powerful as well. You turned out to be so powerful. And मैं कहूँ अगर आपसे तुम तो बड़े selfish निकले. Will you translate it? You turned out to be so selfish. So student, today we got to know the uses of the word turn out to be. और इसका हिंदी जो मतलब है बड़े डैश 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 निकले. तुम ऐसे निकले, तुम वैसे निकले, राइट? अंडरस्टैंड? सो दैट इज फॉर टुडेज क्लास. थैंक यू.